Let's say E together. In this session, we want to learn the last vowel in Persian language. It's E. E. Look at my mouth. E. Listen to me. East. 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 East the same as stop in English. East, stop. Listen again. Beast. 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 Beast is the same as 20 in English. Beast, 20. Listen again. Abi. You know Abi. We had Abi before in previous season. Yeah. Abi. 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 Abi is the same as blue in English. What did you notice in these three words? East, beast, abi. What did you notice? The E sound. This one comes in three different places: beginning, middle, and in the end. Let's go and see how does it work. Well, this one is a little tricky, but really easy, I promise. Looks like, looks familiar. Looks like yeah. Remember capital and small yeah we had, and this one is somehow new. What is all about? Remember what I've told you about a V and U sound, that how it looks like O, and depending on the place that we put it in a word, it sounds different. We don't think about the yeah sound that it makes, remember, that we had before, but this time we want to focus on the sound as a vowel that it has in a vocabulary, in a word. Just forget about the yeah sound and come to the E sound that it makes. Look here. Here it's in the beginning. This one comes at the beginning. This and this. This one, as we had in lowercase or small yeah, it comes in the middle. And this one, which looks like and is somehow the capital yeah, comes at the end. You know how to write these down. Now come here. East, E. We hear E at the beginning of this word. So which one of them we use? Yeah, this one. It's right here. Next one is beast. Where do you hear it? The east, beast, the second sound. It's in the middle. So which one of these we use? This one. It's right here. And in the last one, abi, E-O-B, I hear E at the end of my words. So which one of these I use? This one, and it's right here. So beginning, middle, and at the end. It's easy now, isn't it? Let's go and see what are our practices for next session. Well, for practicing, a page and a half, or if you want to learn it very well, 2 pages, one line this, one line this one, and another line of this. 3 forms of E. One comes at the beginning, one comes in the middle, and the other one comes at the end of it. And about these, you know that instead of saying stop, we say east. Instead of saying 20, we say beast. And instead of saying blue, we say abi. Abi. And again, don't forget to pay attention and try to notice the E sounds at the end, beginning, and in the middle, okay? When you hear a word, try to understand where they use them, and if you wanted to write it down, which types of E you would use. See you all next session. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to practice. Comment for me if you did it, and until the next session, bye.